Hey there, content creators, especially YouTube short lovers, guys. I'm shooting this quick tutorial for you to show you how to update your links in your YouTube shorts, okay? As you may know, you may or may not know, maybe you're looking for videos on how to return your YouTube short links to the clickable status, right? Well, here I come to the rescue. I had the same problem, okay? Recently I started shooting quite a few shorts. And, it's a lot of fun to do, and obviously they're trendy, they bring a lot of traffic, and they're a phenomenal way to, redirect the traffic to your sort of main offer, your core offer, or your longer video. Okay, and this is what I'll precisely show you what to do, because since the end of August 2023, or was it maybe the beginning of September 2023, YouTube changed its policies as to where you can place your clickable link under your YouTube shorts. Okay, so it used to be the case that you were able to do it, we were able to do it by placing them in the description box right below the short, or place them in the comment, like you would pin your comment as the YouTube channel owner, and voila, people would be able to check out your affiliate offers or whatever, your courses, your products you were selling. I mean, this is not the case, okay? Since, it's happened recently. So it came as a shock to me as well, because I was, uploading a lot of shorts lately. And then I was like, what's going on? I was like asking people around, guys, can you just check for me whether my links in the description box are actually clickable? Because I had those, as you put the tags on your shorts, like click the link below, or no, I would put click the link in the description box. And then I was going myself to the description, that it was just text. I wasn't able to click on it. So then I did my due diligence, my research, and now I know how to do it. So it got a little bit annoying, complicated, especially for those who have tons of YouTube shorts with clickable links, right, to whatever they were promoting or selling, and they now have to go and manually change all of them. So fortunately, YouTube still allows you to sort of use your short to repurpose. You will have to repurpose it in a way that you would send the traffic from your short to your longer video that you have on your channel. So that's the way to go about it. Okay. So the way I work on my YouTube channel, because it's a marketing channel. So I do relatively long product reviews. You may know that. Okay. So some of them can go up to 30 minutes, 40 minutes if it's really in depth, and I have a lot to say about the product, even though I do try to keep it to 10, 15 maximum 20 minutes. So now, fortunately, I don't have too many shorts myself, but what I had to do, I had to go manually to YouTube Studio, okay, Pineapple Studio, as they say, right? And I had to change them. So let me disappear from the big screen and show you how to do it. So this is my channel, and guys, what I had to do, and from now on, this is as you upload the video, this is what you will have to do, okay? So perhaps I'll first show you how to do it I'm going to show you two ways, actually. I'm going to be very generous here. Okay, I'm going to show you two ways of going about placing your clickable links into your YouTube short, okay? So let me first go to my YouTube Studio, okay? Perhaps before I even go and do that, let me show you, okay, if I go to my channel and I go and show you the shorts I have. So you see, these are all the shorts. I had to change the links. So now the way the clickable links are displayed will be sort of around around your title. So let me show you on this one, okay? You see? So here, guys, is the link, like from quite recently that has happened. It used to be the case that, you know, I would say, oh, what a face, I would say, go in the description box like here, okay, and click the link. But, you know, it's just text from now on. Even if I go to the, you see, I still have I left the comment, I didn't change the comment. It's not clickable anymore. So people cannot, you know, check it out. So from now on, people will have to, so I have to even change, I didn't change this, whatever I say here, like go to the description box because I can't be bothered, okay? But from now on, I know. But I did place the link here. So this is clickable here, guys. And I'm using this short to redirect the traffic to my long review of AI Disruptor 2.0, okay? So if they click through, you see, boom, they are taken to my proper review, long review, okay, where I do proper, you know, presentation of the product and where I sell the product, and I have my links in the description box. You know, from the long videos, the links have not been removed. Well, you know, thank you, YouTube. Okay. So, right. Okay. So now let me show you how to actually do that, right? So let's go back. And guys, I'm going to show you how to do it to your to your shorts that you already have on your channel, and you have to go and manually change the links. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to also demonstrate for you how to actually do it from the uploading perspective. So from as you upload a video, where to go to place the link you want to retarget the traffic to from your YouTube short, okay? So the first method is just by going, well, the first way to your existing shorts you want to change up is by going to your YouTube studio, and then you'd go to content, and then you just like search for the short you want to change up. And I believe I still have one short left where I didn't change the link. And what was the short? Right, I remember now which short was it. It was for the product called Testorama. Okay, this one. And as you will see, I'll still have my, you see, I still have my links here in the description box. So I'm actually gonna remove them now, okay, because there's no point of, you know, keeping any sort of links or even to your core offers, because nobody will be able to click on them, okay? So what you do from now on, as you, we are in YouTube Studio, and guys, then you go to content, right? And then we do the editing. So from now on, you will have to go here, okay? This is very, very important, where you see to the left, where you see the visibility, public, so, and then you have this option here, related videos. So this one here, I am circling here, is very important. So you click on that, and then YouTube will allow you to connect your short to your longer video from the videos you already have on your channel. So this is the thing, it's not going to be redirecting to your affiliate offers, okay? It's become tricky. So that now it's kind of like more work for YouTubers. They will have to create some kind of like longer content video, you know, beyond 1-2 minutes, okay? That is not considered a YouTube short anymore. And under that video, they will be able to place affiliate links. So what I'm gonna do, I'll connect this Testorama YouTube short to my Testorama review. So I'm gonna search for my Testorama review, and that's the one, okay? That's my review, okay? And I have it here, Testorama review. I save the changes, and now as I click on this video, that's my short, okay? As you can see, that's the clickable link here, okay? So hopefully I'm not gonna have anything in the description No, I did remove. Very good. So keep the description short now. There's no point of like, you know, trying to advertise anything under your YouTube short, hoping that somebody will be able to click on it, this or that. Okay. But here, it is here. Okay. So if I click on that Testorama review, and now, you know, also on your short, you will have to have some kind of text directing people to the link sort of like below, right near the title, something to that effect, so people know where to go. So let me click on that. And here we go. This is my full review of Testorama. And then obviously here in the description, I have all of my affiliate links, so people can still, you know, buy from me, which is cool. I'm glad, you know, there's a way to still monetize your YouTube shorts. And now let me guys show you perhaps, okay, because I do still have, I have a short that I have prepared and, you know, edited and all of that, and it's actually ready for uploading. So let me do the uploading now. So let me go upload a video, and let me show you how I'm gonna place the link. So let me just take this short. Okay, so I have the title here. What I would do, this is how you also optimize your description, okay? So you place the title again. Okay, so we have the title here in the description. So whatever you put in the title, the first thing, you also put it in the description. Grammarly suggesting a correction here. Fine. You can put some hashtags here as well in the title. It helps, okay, reach a wider audience. So let me put a hashtag. This is about AI disruptor. So I'm just gonna say AI disruptor 2.0. Okay, and you see, this is my like default description. I'm gonna go and remove all of the links are correct. Okay, I'm gonna give it like I'll put in proper tags here, the keywords. I'm gonna remove all of the clickable links and all of my recommended products, which I would have normally under my videos, and my core offer here, and some like other links to get a response that I am an affiliate for. So there's no point of keeping any of that below your, you know, YouTube shorts, because people are not going to be able to click on them. Alright, so I move myself up here so you can actually see what's happening. So I'm happy with like the description, everything. Okay, then I place what list the video goes to, and I put my like keywords further down. So that's very important. But this is not the point of the video to show you how to do the description, but that's important too, to put your keywords here. And then once you're happy with everything, go next. Once you're happy with the description, and then obviously you will have to submit that my channel is monetized, so it's with regards to the ads. I go next, and you see at this point here you can add related video, guys. So you click on add, and then YouTube will allow you to redirect your short to your longer video. Okay, so I'm going to choose this AI Disruptor 2.0 review, because this short is all about, you know, AI advertising, promoting AI Disruptor 2.0, the latest yesterday's launch of James Renouf and Dave Espino. So we go next. Okay, all of that is good. We go next, and you know, I'm gonna leave it on unlisted because I don't want to publish it as yet. Maybe in the evening I'm gonna release that short, because I have just uploaded the previous short, so that would be too much to, you know, like release a short every hour or every 2 hours. I'm not that nuts. So I'm just gonna leave it on unlisted, save it, and voila. If I clicked on publish, it would go live. But, you know, just for the purpose of this video, let me show you that, you know, the link is there and it works. So this is the video this is the YouTube short I just published. So as you can see, this is the clickable link, the clickable one, and yeah, voila, that's my AI Disruptor 2.0 review, you see. And under that review, obviously, I have all of my affiliate links, my free traffic, that is my lead magnet and stuff like that, and some other products that I recommend. So cool, guys. I hope that's clear now. I'm like surely, you know, as a relief that, you know, there is still a way to monetize your YouTube Shorts, because it would be such a shame, you know, it would be proper shocking, okay, if YouTube Shorts, which are so trendy, okay, would be cut off from, you know, from content creators in a way that they wouldn't be able to monetize them, okay? So that would be really, really upsetting for a lot of content creators, in my opinion, okay? But, you know, there's still a way, and perhaps a better one. Yeah, I don't know if I'm happy with this change. I guess I am, because it is kind of like, look, it is kind of cool. You have that link like right there, you see, at the bottom, like here it's not really showing very well, because, and be wary of the background you choose, because like this background here, you know, is white. This is not good, you know, I should really correct that. So have a background, so you have, you know, this title is all in white, and you know, the text leading to your link is also in white, so, you know, make it visible. So for me, that's lesson learned. Okay, guys, ciao. I shall see you very soon. Take care.